Countdown confirmed. Perseverance safely on the surface of Mars, ready to begin seeking the sands of past life.
2021年可以说是热闹滚滚，世界各国争先恐后，陆续朝宇宙进发。
There are really two fundamental paths. One path is we stay on Earth forever, and then there will be some eventual extinction event. The alternative is to become a spacefaring civilization and a multi-planet species.
SpaceX 创办人马斯克不止一次提到，梦想着带领人类移民火星，打造出一个自由自在、不拘束的新世界。至于为什么会挑上火星，那是因为在太阳系当中，火星是最接近地球的行星，在全世界疫情持续延伸。不过，科学家依然努力朝外太空前进，证明人类强大的韧性。从今年的2月开始，火星上挤满了来自地球的访客。除了阿拉伯联合大公国的火星探测器希望号，最受瞩目的就是它伊利号，完成了许多历史上的第一次，不是科幻电影，而是人类第一次真真实实的听到火星上的声音，也完成了更大的创举。
I invite you now to, if you would like to close your eyes and just imagine yourself sitting on the surface of Mars and listening to the surroundings.
The Perseverance rover on Mars converted carbon dioxide into oxygen, enough to sustain an astronaut for about 10 minutes.
This really is a Wright brothers moment. It's the start of a whole new kind of planetary exploration, and we'll build on Ingenuity's success to see how we can deploy this capability on future Mars missions.
NASA 宣布毅力号上新带的火星氧气就地资源，利用实验设备完成开始运作后，把火星大气里面二氧化碳的氧原子给分离出来，制造出大约5公克的氧气。这样的量大约是一个太空人正常活动10分钟所需的氧气量。除此之外，还有一个好消息。
2, 1, 0, ignition.
SpaceX 在这个月的4号发射猎鹰9号火箭升空，上面载了一共60颗的低轨卫星。
40 seconds into flight, Falcon 9 has successfully lifted off from our Pad 39A at the Kennedy Space Center, carrying a stack of Starlink satellites into orbit.
这是马斯克从2019年开始规划要在太空中打造出卫星，网络不用受限于电信基地台，预估需要大约1800颗卫星，而到目前为止 ，SpaceX 已经发射了超过1400颗的星链卫星，创造最大的人造卫星星座。
I think it's important for the long-term preservation and ultimately the expansion and extension of the scope and scale of consciousness and the long-term probably survival of humanity and life as we know it. We must become a multi-planet species because there are all these risks.